Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. This is FlyWing FW450 V3 GPS feature RC helicopter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fly Auto 3D full pyro flips. Okay, so in order to do full pyro flips, unlock the flight controller, unlock the motor, wait for it to spool up and take off. Because of the new algorithms, you can start doing aerobatics at 5 meters altitude, but if you're doing it for the first time, I will suggest you go higher than 5 meters altitude. Okay, once you are there, you can start rotating either right or left. It all depends which way you want to do it. So for example, I'm just gonna rotate this way, and now you have to flip invert switch. So wait for helicopter to stabilize, rotate, flip, flip, so it's just that easy. Now I'm gonna bring it closer a little bit and do it the other way. So let's do it a little faster this time. All right, so this is how you do auto full pyro flips. Once you're done, bring the helicopter back and land. Disable the motor.